Does this sound familiar? You're driving tons of traffic to your website, hundreds, maybe even thousands of visitors, but nothing happens. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. 97% of your website visitors leave without taking any action. But what if I told you there's a revolutionary tool that changes everything? A way to see exactly who's visiting your site. This tool operates in real time, tracking visitors and creating detailed profiles with their names, company details, browsing behaviors. Imagine being able to reach out to your hottest prospects with a personalized message that speaks directly to their needs. The benefits are huge. Higher conversions, more personalized outreach, and a serious boost to your ROI. And the best part? You can try it out completely free for 7 days. That's right, no risk, no catch. Click it now and start your free trial today. Every minute you hesitate is another visitor and another potential customer slipping away. Think about it. You're already driving the traffic. Now it's time to turn them into paying customers. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Start your free trial and watch your business transform. You got traffic. This tool gives you the power to turn it into gold. Click that link now. Your future customers are waiting.